Hi, here's a great little fundamental exercise, good for beginners, good for actually anybody, even experienced singers will really benefit from this. So I'm going to sing a drone note, which just means I'm holding one long note out until I need another breath, and then I'll take another one. And I'm going to ask you to try matching my note to begin with, and then while I'm holding it, to move away from it and then come back to it, away from it and then back to it. And while you're away, you can go wherever you want. You can take a little trip, a journey, an exploration. But I want you to keep returning to the drone note. That's our home. Or always returning back to that drone note. Or it could be more elaborate or more exploratory. You might go, back home, right? So it's a lot of fun to do this, and really, really good practice for both matching a pitch and that all important skill when you're singing anything, singing a song, singing an improvised thing, of going away from a note and then being able to find it again. So I'm just going to give you a bunch of drone notes. You can play above it, you can explore below it, but keep returning to that drone note. So here goes. The drone is always on the same note. It's really pleasurable to sing and vocalize while having the support of that steady drone note. So I hope you have a lot of fun with this. Go back, try it a few more times.